I'm Mike.
I'm Laura.
And we are Match
Made
Made in
in
Heaven.
Heaven.
And I'm getting puppy kisses right now. That is so nice. You know why? Because this is my dog. It was Laura's dog, and now it's my dog. But guys, thanks for watching our video today. Me and Roscoe love scrambled eggs each morning. And Laura, you've got some clean eggs from the fridge.
Clean eggs. Look how pretty those are.
So Laura cleaned some up yesterday.
I think so.
Yeah, you did. Thank you. But in this video, if you keep watching, I'm going to show you how to clean some eggs. And every once in a while, we get a bad one. And how to detect bad eggs. And then we do clean eggs in our kitchen sink. So just a little quick tip on what we do to clean up the sink after we're done. So just a short video today. And Laura, I think you were going to say something?
Oh,
no, I was wrong. But thanks for watching Match Made in Heaven. Thanks for giving us some good comments on this new puppy. It's sleepy right now. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, give us some comments. Please subscribe, and hopefully you find this content valuable. We love our chickens. We love our eggs.
yes, we do.
All right, guys. God bless and have a great day. Time to clean some eggs for the fridge. If you have seen our video, we've got a video on don't throw your egg shells away. We've got one use case and more coming. But today what we're going to do is we're going to clean these eggs. You can see some of them, it's not bad at all, right? Then some of them, it looks like somebody may have made a mess on some of them. You can see some of them down there. They even have some yellow yolk on them. Sometimes your chickens may lay bad eggs, and then the good ones will get mixed in if you don't get them frequently from the coop, and you'll have some like that. So what I like to do is I like to take these bad ones and I like to let them soak a little bit, right? So here I've just got some dish water, and I can set that guy in here. I'll put him in the middle because they will sink. Your fresh eggs will sink very, very quickly. There's another one, got some gook on it. Set it down in there. Just let them soak for a second, and then some hot water over top of them. And they will be clean and ready to go. Now these good ones, I just do that, wipe them off, hot water, and it's ready for the fridge. But these have been sitting at the bottom of our stairs for 2 or 3 days as we collect them each day. And then as soon as we wash them, we refrigerate them. But we don't get them out and put them immediately in the fridge. Some folks will clean them and just leave them on their counter and eat them, but we like to refrigerate them. Now one thing I wanted to show you is this guy here. This is an old egg, and what I wanted to show you is what will happen for your old eggs and how you can tell. See, my fresh ones, they're gone. They're soaked. They're at the bottom. I put this guy in. He's floating. Right, so that's a sign that the protective coat is not good, and you don't want to eat that guy. Some people will eat it, maybe scramble it up for your animals and throw it back to the chickens, but I'm not going to eat that guy. Any egg that I put in this water and it floats like that, I am not going to eat. So that's just a way that is easy to tell. Here's a good one. Put it in. It soaks. It floats. The bad ones will float, and the good ones will sink. Good protective coat, so the weight takes them down. Bad protective coat, and that guy is floating. So don't eat him. Hope this helps. Just an easy way to do it. Now what I like to do, since this is my kitchen sink, is after I clean some eggs here, where we're preparing food and washing things, etc., I just run some hot water and soak some, some bleach in the kitchen sink to clean things back up, since I'm washing eggs in here. So, hope this helps. Easy way to identify those bad eggs as you're cleaning them for the fridge. Look at those pretty eggs, colorful. I love the different colors and sizes. I can see this is from one of the silkies, one of Laura's babies, one of the smaller ones. And then typically these larger ones are from, our older hens, been laying for a while. And you've got these guys in the middle. Those probably are my hens that are about a year old. So we've got our bleach and cleaned up here, just letting that soak a little bit. And then I clean up with the dish rag around where I've been cleaning. But one thing I wanted to show you is while I was cleaning the eggs, this guy here, I noticed when I was cleaning him, he had some cracks on the very top. He went to the bottom. He did not float, but still he didn't look good at the top with some cracks. So I pushed a little harder, and when I did, it popped. So that's another good thing to do when you're cleaning them. If you notice cracks in the eggs, that your hens may need some more calcium added to their diet. So this is an easy fix and an easy way. I just pressed a little bit harder and my thumb went right through it. So I'm going to scramble this one up for Roscoe, our dog. He will eat a scrambled egg. So hope that helps.
Thanks for watching. By the way,
Don't forget to check out our merchandise on Teespring.
appreciate your support. Have a great day.
Fixed it.
Does it work?
Works.
Looks like it's working.
Works.
You sleep? There he is. You want in the video?
Here you go, buddy.
Can you hold these for a sec?
Mm-hmm.
Just so we can see him. Yeah, that's a good boy.
This is what you want.
Yeah. I'm Mike.